So I'll be demonstrating the different implementations for assignment 2 for the breakout game. We'll start here with a demo and I'll sort of explain the features as we go. The first couple of things that we're going to be seeing are the power-ups as well as the growing paddle based on score. So right there we have the power-up that spawns and slowly drops towards the player. And when we pick it up, well, I died there, so didn't count, but as soon as you pick it up, what will happen is there will be a sound and 2 extra balls will spawn that the player will be able to use. These balls, I decided, will not count if they go out of bounds. They will not reset the game. They're kind of only like a plus thing for the player and not a detriment to them should they lose track of them. It can get them extra points, but they should still focus only on their primary ball. And the power-up can only spawn once per life. So once you pick it up, you would have to then die just so you can have a chance at spawning again. So that shows the first 2 features, the power-up as well as the growing and shrinking paddles. You can see they spawn there again. So I'll stop there and try and get a level with the third and final feature, which is the locked brick. This was made to be random, so the brick won't spawn on each level. Alright, so there we have a locked brick. We can see it in the corner, and that brick will only be able to be destroyed when the player picks up a key power-up that will spawn precisely when this type of level is on. So we'll start here. I don't know if I'll be able to even touch the brick at this point because it'll probably take a while to destroy all the bricks. But as we can see, oh, there we go. So we can see the power-up has spawned, and we will grab it, and you can see the lock brick has now become unlocked. It has changed to a normal color, and you would be able to destroy it. So I think that serves as enough demo for the features. I'll just go quickly over some of the main parts of the code. I won't go through every little bit that I changed because there was quite a lot. Some of the main things I had to do was, for example, create a power-up class. And this power-up class acts a little bit like a ball, except that it has no velocity in the x direction, so it will only drop down. And as soon as it has a collide, it collides, and you have a similar collide function to check that it has collided with a paddle. After it collides, it'll either spawn the balls or unlock the brick, and all of that is done here in the play state. In order to create a locked brick, I just had to change a couple of things in the level maker. Some conditions that will basically make it so that you will create a locked brick randomly, so it won't do it on every level. The paddle growth and shrinkage happens here in the play state as well. That's only basically if your score is greater than some multiplier that keeps track of the score, then you will grow the paddle as well as the hitbox for the paddle, and then you shrink it if the ball is out of bounds. Yeah, so that is it.